Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your history on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will see various different ads. Click on the account icon at the top right corner once again, and then from this page, click on Searches, which will now show you all of your search history that you have conducted. Alongside each of these search entries, you will see the Manage option, which has the Delete button. Go ahead and click on Delete, and now this will delete your search history right away. You can do this with as many number of entries within the Searches section, and this will clear your search history on Craigslist. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear your search history on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.